Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into a highly requested review of the 30-inch body wave lace front wig, made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. This is a 13x6 HD transparent lace front wig designed for a natural look with its full and thick density. So let's jump into the details. The 30-inch body wave lace front wig comes with a striking 220% density, making it full-bodied and voluminous. It's crafted from 100% Brazilian virgin human hair, which is known for its smooth texture and durability. The hair is unprocessed, ensuring that it's clean, soft, and silky right out of the box. Plus, this wig is versatile. It can be styled into deep waves, curls, or straightened without shedding or tangling. The 13x6 lace front gives you ample room for styling with a deep part, and the HD transparent lace promises a realistic look with a natural hairline and baby hairs around the perimeter. In terms of fit, the wig features a 22.5-inch medium-sized cap that comes with adjustable straps, elastic bands, and combs for a secure, customizable fit. This design is aimed at providing comfort and breathability for all-day wear. Real-world testing time. I found this wig easy to install thanks to the adjustable straps and combs. It's comfortable to wear and breathable, making it suitable for extended periods. The HD lace is incredibly soft and blends seamlessly with my skin, giving it a more natural appearance. Whether I was wearing it for a special event or just to switch up my daily look, it stayed in place without much fuss. I also tried styling it with some curls and was pleased with how well the hair held up, no tangles or shedding. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the wig is incredibly versatile in terms of styling, the 220% density might feel a bit too heavy for those who prefer a more lightweight look. If you're not used to thicker hair, it might take a bit of time to adjust. Additionally, although the cap fits well, I would suggest adjusting the straps for a snugger fit, especially if you have a smaller head. Pros: made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, which gives it a luxurious feel. The HD transparent lace provides a realistic, natural look. 220% density makes for a voluminous and full appearance. Adjustable cap size and elastic bands for a customizable fit. Very versatile. Can be styled into different textures, waves, curls, straight. Cons: the thick density may be too heavy for those who prefer lighter wigs. It might require more frequent adjustments if you have a smaller head or prefer a tighter fit. Now let's talk about the value for money. For the price, you're getting a wig that's made with high-quality Brazilian virgin human hair that can last 6 to 12 months with proper care. Considering the durability and versatility of this wig, I'd say it offers good value for those who are looking for a natural, long-lasting style. When comparing it to other wigs in the market, there are definitely some options at a lower price point, but they often lack the HD lace and the natural, smooth feel of this Brazilian virgin hair. Many cheaper alternatives tend to use processed hair, which doesn't hold up as well over time. In terms of build quality, the materials used in this wig are solid. The cap feels durable and breathable, which is essential for comfort. The HD lace is soft and flexible, making it easy to blend with different skin tones, and the overall construction of the wig is well crafted for long-term wear. As for customer support, I didn't have to reach out to the brand directly, but based on the quality and attention to detail in the product, I'd assume they offer reliable service if any issues arise. Final verdict: the 30-inch body wave lace front wig is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality, natural-looking lace wig. With its versatility, smooth texture, and secure fit, it stands out in the market. While the thick density might not suit everyone, it's a great option for those who want voluminous, long-lasting hair. If you're in the market for a wig that combines quality and style, this could be your go-to. If this review was helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so that other beauty enthusiasts can find this video too. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you're interested in this wig, check the link in the description box for more details. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts or any questions in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience if you've already tried it. Until next time, keep slaying those looks with Beautyistic.